my name is Rivi Fanarian and my student number is 230831. And in this video, I will describing and comparing about Indonesian food. And the Indonesian food that I will take are Lontong and Ketupat. Okay, the first let's talk about Lontong. I will talk about the ingredients and how to make the Lontong, the step how to make lontong. And then the first ingredients are uncooked rice, banana leaves, toothpick, and water. And then how to make lontong. The first step is soak the rice in water for 2 until 3 hours, then drain it. And then the second is prepare banana leaves and then cut and soften them deep in the hot water. And then the third is roll the banana leaf into a tube and then seal one side with a toothpick. And then the fourth is add rice until about 2 poultry full and then seal the other end. And then the fifth is boil the wrapped rice for 3 until 4 hours. Make sure it stays under water, and then you can add the hot water if needed. And then the sixth is let the lontong cold and then firm up. And then the last one, slice and serve. Okay, so now let's talk about the ketupat. I will talk about the ingredients and the step how to make ketupat. The ingredients are rice and then the ketupat casing that made from young coconut leaves, or we call it janur, and then water. And then how to make ketupat. The first step is wash and soak the rice for 1 until 2 hours, then drain it. And then the second is fill the ketupat casing halfway with rice. And then the third is boil the ketupat in a large pot of water for 4 until 5 hours. And then make sure they are fully covered with water. And then you can add a hot water if needed during boiling. And then the fourth is hang or place the ketupat to drain and then let them cold and firm up. And then the last one, you can cut and serve with curry, satay, or vegetables. Okay, now let's comparing between lontong and ketupat. The first, we talk about the raw material. Lontong is from banana leaves, but ketupat is from young coconut leaves. And then the shape, the second is about the shape. The lontong, the shape like cylindrical, but ketupat is like square or diamond. And then about the texture, lontong is softer and slightly sticky, but ketupat firmer and drier. And then about the fragrance, the fragrance from lontong is fragrant banana leaves, and then ketupat is fragrant from like young coconut scent. And then about the fourth is the fifth is about the cooking time. The cooking time for lontong 3 until 4 hours, but for ketupat 4 until 5 hours. Yes, so it takes longer time for ketupat. And then about the occasions, lontong like can be for everyday meals like gado-gado, satay, lontong curry, and then for ketupat it's on special occasions like lebaran, eat like weddings, or can eat with opera and or curry. Okay, that's all about describing and comparing Indonesian food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.